Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super interesting topic that can sound a bit intimidating at first. Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP for short. Don't worry though. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to impress your friends with your knowledge. If you've ever played a video game, built an app, or even just Googled how to cook pasta, you've probably encountered some form of programming, and OOP is a huge part of that. So let's break it down together. So what on earth is object-oriented programming? Essentially, it's a programming paradigm that uses objects to design software. Now, I know that sounds a bit abstract, but let's picture it like this. Imagine a world where everything is an object. Your phone? An object. Your coffee cup? Totally an object. Even your dog, you guessed it, an object. Now, in the world of programming, an object is simply a collection of data, attributes, and functions, methods that work together. Think of it as a little package that includes both the characteristics of something and what it can do. So if we take our dog example, let's say our object is dog. The attributes could be things like breed, color, and age. The methods would be actions like bark, eat, and fetch. You see what I'm getting at? We organize code around real-world concepts, making it easier to think about and manage. But guess what? There's more. OOP comes with 4 key principles: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Whoa, sounds fancy, right? But don't fear. Let's break these down one by one. First up, encapsulation. This idea is all about bundling the data with the methods. It hides the internal state of the object and only exposes what's necessary. Think of it like a coffee machine. You just push a button and boom, coffee. You don't need to know all the inner workings to enjoy your cup of joe. We have abstraction. This is about simplifying complex realities by modeling classes based on the essential properties and behaviors of an object. Basically, it's creating a blueprint without showing every single detail. Just like how you get the idea of a car without knowing how the engine works. Then, there's inheritance. This allows a new class to inherit properties and methods from an existing class. It's like being in a family. If your parents are tall, you might be tall too. It promotes code reusability and makes life way easier for us coders. Last but not least, polymorphism. This one's a bit tricky, but bear with me. It means many forms. It allows methods to do different things based on the object that it's acting on. Imagine if your dog could speak different commands: sit, roll over, or play dead, all with a single method. There you have it. Object-oriented programming in a nutshell. It's all about creating relatable, real-world models in our coding lives, and it makes programming so much simpler and more fun. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and drop your questions in the comments below. Let's chat about your coding journey. Until next time, happy coding, friends.